All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. modelrockets321 here. Been taking a little break, but I will be back soon, flying some rockets and showing off some stuff. But today I received a care package in the mail from Estes. As you can see, got the Estes sticker right here. So we're going to check this out right now. I'm going to get this unboxing going. Got X-Acto right here. Left my other knife over there, so I'll go ahead and do this. Let's see what we have in store. And shout out to Estes also. Shop estesrockets.com. Put in the discount code IN_321. Fill your shopping cart. Put in IN_321. And see what happens on your shopping cart. And go ahead and get yourself some stuff. Get a discount. Discounts are always nice because the prices of everything is going higher and higher. And that is pretty crazy. So go on and use a discount. Okay, what we have here? Okay, so we start out. Oh, another one of these. I have one of these. So I'm going to probably be running a giveaway. I'm going to organize something and do a giveaway for some of you guys. I got some loyal people that stay tuned and check out the videos all the time. So a giveaway of some of this stuff is coming soon because I have this right here. So this is real cool though. So 500-piece puzzle. The Saturn V and the Saturn 1B, the Estes kits, and it says a free poster inside. So how cool is this? And as you can see, I got the STEM logo right there. Yep, that's a Saturn V and Saturn 1B. It is a 20.5 inch by 15 inch puzzle. So that's a decent size. That's a decent size puzzle. So have that right here. That is the first item. How cool is that? Cool. So that's the first thing. I'm going to set that aside. What else can I look down here and pull out? Oh, okay. Perfect. 2025 catalog. Oh, yeah, there we go. Inspiration through generations. So this is the 2025 catalog, brand new. Can't wait to get into this. See what, if anything new has been released. I don't remember anything being... I see something that's new. That's definitely new. The Optima is new. Optima is nice. That's a nice rocket. That's actually a bring back. So you got their apparel in here, their apparel line. So yeah. All right. So yeah, I will get to this, but that's this catalog on deck. Nice. 2025 one. Been waiting on those. And I see another one of those. It's a few of these in here. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's one. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 catalogs. I have some. I can definitely do. I have some co-workers. I know some people that I can pass. Give some of these off to. Okay, yeah, so the 2025 catalogs, I have 5 of these. All I really need is one. I'm going to definitely give one away. And yeah, we'll make that happen. We will make that happen. So 2025 catalogs, I'll get into that in a little while. And down in here, I see something I already have. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a giveaway. I can see a giveaway happening. The 2025 calendar. So you can hang it in your workspace. Yep, I already went through this. If you check a previous video, I went through all the images of this 2025 rocketry calendar. There's February right there. So this is something I already have. Orbital transport. That's a good one right there. Orbital transport. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah. So I have this, and I have the puzzle. So I'm just going to do a little something. Maybe run it through Instagram. Maybe run it on here too. I'm going to find out how to do it. Run a giveaway. Probably give this away. Give away a little bundle. Might find something else to throw in there just to give back a little bit. So that'll be something coming down the pipeline shortly. What else we got in there? Oh, there is a rocket in here. And this a little bag. What's this little blue bag? What do we have here? Little blue. A little... velvet type bag. Okay, something flat. Oh, that's cool. It's one of the Estes. This is one of the Christmas ornaments. Oh, that's cool. It's 2024. It's vintage now, but cool anyway. Nonetheless, it is the Estes headquarters building. I guess you display it that way. And I think it may have a film that you peel off on it. I think that's what. Yeah, you peel the film off. But that's pretty cool though. You can see that. Check that out right there. That is pretty nice. That's Estes headquarters in Colorado. It's from 2024, which expired now, but cool nonetheless. Yeah, peel off protective covering. Yep. So this is an ornament. Now, I guess you can hang it anywhere you want. You can hang this anywhere you want, but it's a Christmas as ornament. I thought it said ornament, but it's, yeah, definitely an ornament of some sort. But yeah, how cool is that? So you can take another look at that guy right there. Not bad. Hope that's showing up for you. Not bad. And they got that rocket right there that's displayed out there. So very nice. Very. Oh yeah, it's an ornament. Yep, ornament, tie, knot. Yep. So that is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's 2025 now, but nonetheless, just some old stock. Not bad. And there is a rocket kit in here. Let's see what kit this is. You know what? I'm going to remove the box so we can get a good look. I'm going to move the box and go to the tape. Alright, so this rocket here has a black nose cone, multiple tubes. I see a transition, nose weight. Wow, it's like 2 blocks of nose weight. And flip this over. Oh, nice. What is this? Black Star Voyager. That is a cool rocket. Thanks, Estes. Appreciate this. 39 inches tall. Look at all the fin. Look at all the work. Look at that. Look at that design. That is cool. This is a nice one right here. 1,100 feet on a D12-3. No, D12-3 is a recommended first flight, but 1,100 feet on an E12-4. So this is a high flying, pretty nice rocket. A lot of tubes and 2 separate tubes. I think it's like a BT-60 there, and that may be a BT-55 possibly. Very nice. I see balsa fins. There's decals. Build instructions. Black nose cone's already black, so I guess you're just doing the whole thing black for the most part. And I see they got some little fins here, some extra little fins there. Transition goes there. These little fins with openings, pretty nice. This is a cool looking rocket. I had seen this one for sale. I've seen it around, but you just take a look. But I do like the hollowing effect. That's pretty nice. That is cool. Then inside there, they even did more of the fins with the openings. So pretty nice. So you got a big opening here. 3 of those, it look like. Then small little ones inside here. Cool. They got yeah, nice rocket. Single color. So I guess you do all your black paint. Then all the decals, like how many sets? 1, 2, 3. I guess that would be one piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see if each one of these guys 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on that side. 12. That's a lot of decals. A lot of decals on here. Then these rings here. So nice rocket. It's an expert build. I see a metal engine hook right here. Not bad. Not a bad rocket. Black Star Voyager. So this is something to look forward to. Even though my build pile is looking crazy, I have a ton of stuff to finish. Let me show you that. You may remember these. So I've been working on this guy, and I've been working on the X15. I have popped the putty on there. I had the some filler. Just got to do some sanding. Got to do some sanding here, sanding there. But they're all smooth. I use this Delta Cream Coat that I cannot find no more. If anybody know of a paintable filler, I just like to paint it on and sand it. I don't have to do the other stuff's too messy. I will use it though, like this. I initially painted on the fins because these are really smooth now. But I just had some bigger spots. Just wanted to go back with this because this ran out actually. So that's why I had to switch to the DAP stuff. So I got to do some sanding here, but these are smooth. These are pretty smooth. So I'm going to just go over them again, and then maybe I have to hit them again. I may have to go to just using this, but if you know of a paintable filler, let me know. Drop it down, or seal, or let me know in the comments. This Delta Cream Coat stuff works pretty good. I like it because I don't have to go outside. I don't have to spray anything. I don't have to do anything. I just paint it, sand it in the house, and you don't have to go out there doing nothing. But X15 is coming along. I'm still working on that. Still working on this. This Hawk, it was a blue Starhawk. I forget what it was called. I forget the name of it. It was all blue. I forget the name of it. Starhawk, Starstreak, something. I forget. But anyway, still working on that guy. What else I got? And the one that I cannot seem to get over the hump with, it's masked off. Still working on it. Is the Saturn 1B, the cluster. This is the old version. I'm at the fins. You really got to pay attention of the masking of these fins because that's where I'm at. All this upper part is all masked off. I see some of the maskings peeling up. So I'm going to have to double check all of this again because it's been sitting. I had it sitting. But I got to get with these fins. These are ready to go. I'm just ready to be masked. I just gotta get with it. Just got to get with it. So that's that. What else I got? That may be where all the projects are right now. I got those. yeah, new one came. Got those two. Yep. That is it, I believe, guys. Yeah, Estes did. I got a new cam so I can get some onboard footage again. But this is a nice rocket, man. There's some good ones. That's a good rocket. Like sleepers, like you see them and then you don't really, or I'll see them and be like, okay, that's a cool one, but I can live without it. But then when you get it, it's like, oh man, it's 39 inches tall. I didn't realize it was that tall. Like E engines, E12 So that's a nice size rocket right there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, so just wanted to let you guys show you the latest of what's going on. Oh, as far as this one, all filled, painted it on with the filler. Just been filling the spirals. Gotta go back, clean that up. But yeah, this one should be going soon too. Want to get these guys finished. And I thought there was another rocket that I was supposed to be working on or had repaired or did something. I'm not sure if I showed this in the last video, but I know this had got broken in a recent launch, but it's all fixed up. It had a crack, and he's all fixed up though. Yeah, it broke right along here. But I got him fixed up. He's pretty much in retirement. R2Q5, he's pretty much in retirement. So he's retired. But yeah, other than that, that's where things are, guys. This is modelrockets321. Be sure to subscribe. I will be back shortly with some flights, and we'll get things going again. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Just on a little break in 2025 catalog. So I have a bunch of these now. I don't know if you guys want one, if you need one. I'll put the cause I'll need just shipping at least cover shipping, and I'll send you one if you need one. But yeah, and they're looking pretty good. So this is the Vogel. Taking a quick glance, yeah, this is a new release. Any F motors? Oh, this is a 2-stage guy. Oh, this is a 2-stager. Okay, that's pretty nice. That's a 2-stager. 64 inches tall, 2-inch diameter, 2,000 feet altitude. Rocket only if you're going to go to sustainer, just a D12s, E12s, E, and a F15. So yeah, this is a big boy. Nice. That's a nice looking rocket too. Not bad. Not bad. But for 2-stage, and I'm looking at that. It has dual. So they're doing something different here. This has 2 parachutes, and the booster has. Oh, they did it, man. Estes is really stepping the game up. That is something new. I think this may be a first, where the second stage or the booster has a parachute. Requires 24 adapter. That is not bad. The booster is so big, and I remember doing my Red Nova 2-stage. The booster crashed, so that is definitely a step up. The Athena looks good too. That is a nice looking rocket right there. That is pretty cool. That is a nice rocket right there. It's 1/18 scale. The Athena H, yeah, it's a sounding rocket. So yeah, this is all Pro Series stuff right here. And the Optima was another new release. Nice. These are good. These are great. These are great. So very, very nice. Let me see if anything else sticks out. Star Orbiter is cool. Super Big Bertha is back in action. It's cool. So Long still around. There's the So Long. What else we got? Yes, he's got this rail launch, man. That might be something to look into at some point. Kevlar. Anything else new? Anything else? Any new rockets? What's in here? What's in this section? The Signature Series? Anything new from the Signature Series? No, nothing new from the Signature Series. I do want to build that Antar, man. It's just so many. It's almost like so many rockets, not enough time. It's always something to do. So here it is right here. Yeah. Black Star Voyager. Nice. That's a nice one. The Interceptor. Oh, I thought that was Interceptor E. I wouldn't mind having the Interceptor E. I wouldn't mind having that again. Interceptor is a nice one. But yeah, High Flyer. Yeah, so that's the only new. Yeah, back in the days, you would get a lot of new releases. I have a Vapor I want built. I have this one, the Vesta Intruder. I like that. I like the alien type sci-fi ones. Yeah, back in the days, you would get a lot of, when a new catalog came out, you would get a lot of new releases. I do have this one, and I do like it. I want to get that built. The Orbitron. Flies on D engines, too. It's a beginner rocket that flies on Ds, which is pretty nice. So here we have their Rotor Rock. So yeah, just some good releases. And we have Dr. Proctor's rocket is in the catalog. So, yep. Space 2 inspired Dr. Proctor. She flew with SpaceX, which I have this one signed. I have a signed one of this because I met her, me and some other guys. Mob Rockets and Kevin, we all met her. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, not a whole lot of new releases, a couple. Not a lot. So just some images here as I look through the years in rocketry. Not bad, pretty cool. Got the Athena H on the cover. Yep, so yeah, SpaceX Falcon 9 still around. Scale stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. They got the Athena H on 2 pages, I believe. So they have it here again. How tall was that one? That's 30 inches. Yeah. Man, somebody I want to get busy, man. Yeah, Athena H is on 2 pages. That's kind of odd. Let me see what we got going. Scale page. Okay, so I did it scale. It made that page. Then it made the page for the Pro Series. So okay, it's both. Yeah, Athena H is on 2 pages. But alright, guys, let me get out of here now. It's my Rock321. Subscribe to the channel, and we will be back with more later.